Hi everyone. So I haven't got my updated Genesis 1. So beginning equals time. So I found out the Spirit of God is all in caps and God is a spirit. So that was, of course, a lot of us know that, but I never really noticed it was all in caps. God spoke with his breath and light was created. So the Brett Wheeler process is very interesting and I can show you that. God stated the evening and the morning were the first day, but we all followed the evening. And God made the firmament and divided the waters that were under and above the firmament. God called firmament heaven. So we have a second ocean under Earth's crust. And did you know there's actually water in a black hole called a quasar? So that was interesting to me. Of course, waters were all gathered together, and we know that the dry land appeared, which is earth, and waters are called seas. Trees have seeds inside themselves, which is pollination. Two great lights rule the day and night, and we know that's the sun and the moon, and the stars are up there as well. God sorted all things by their kinds and basic traits. God made man in his image and gave us authority over animals, insects, birds, and the earth. And God made fruit and vegetables be nourishment, not animals. So that was, of course, the stuff I learned in Genesis 1. So I'm going to let Farkle take over and explain to you about time.
Anyway, science tells us that the sun is always shining, and what appears to be day and night is merely our angle of proximity at a particular time to the Earth's revolution. And for extra credit, there's no such thing as time. Our debate topic, therefore, is false. The sun does not just shine during the day, it also shines during the night. Just not on us.
I win.
I think Riley is really funny, so Girl Meets World is funny. So here is the quantum, two lights hitting each other, creating matter.
Generating energetic photons directly, the researchers sped up two positively charged ions in a big loop, and then they sent them past each other in a near collision. These ions are charged particles that move very close to the speed of light. This means that each of them also carries an electromagnetic field associated with them. Inside this electromagnetic field, there are many not so real but virtual photons that travel with the ion like a cloud. Now you might be wondering, what are
So that was interesting to find out. And they found this ringwoodite, and it was made up of 1.5% of the ringwoodite's weight is water. So they found out there was a lot of water down in the ocean. Like under the earth, I mean. And then, of course, with the tree reproducing, I'm not too sure why that's not working. But, so down here it talks about trees make seeds through a process called pollination. Pollination happens when pollen, which is like tree dust, moves from one part of a tree to another part. This helps the tree make seeds. Let's see how it works. And so if you go to this website, it'll show you how it works. And then, this new finding was a quasar. The water is in a black hole, and it's equivalent to 140 trillion times all the water in the world's oceans. So, and it's 12 billion light years away. So yeah, there's a lot of things going on in our universe that we don't know about. Thank you. I hope you learned something today.